Setting up a new B2B store is simple. Let's see if I can tell you how to do it in less than a minute. Start the clock. Click on the B2B portal in the Unleashed menu. Click on Add New Store. Create your store by filling in the details in the pop-up. The store subdomain will form part of the web address for your store, so it's a good idea to make it memorable. Order status determines how your B2B store's orders will import into Unleashed. Warehouse mapping tells the B2B store from which warehouse to sync stock levels. And default tax rate is applied to the orders. Click Create Store. You then have the option to invite more administrators to your store here, and at the bottom of the screen you can decide whether or not you'd like to include quantities for auto-assembled products and assign further warehouses for stock availability. It's as simple as that. When you're happy with your configuration, click Save, then go to Store, and sign in with the email and password you just created. Stop the clock. Now you can enjoy customizing and personalizing your B2B store. After you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the easy and intuitive Setup tour, which will guide you through all the stages you need to get your products and customers to your store. In no time at all, you'll have a beautiful-looking B2B store that will start saving you time and making you money. For further information on why a B2B store is so important and more detailed guidance on organizing your store, click on the link in the top right corner of this video, or visit the Unleashed University.